Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have been missing for long and I'm very sorry for that. In today's video, I'm going to cover about the recent trip that I had uh, done to Sikkim and how beautiful a place was. I had covered multiple places in Sikkim throughout my stay there. It was a combination of a vacation plus a vacation, so I thought to document and vlog about all of it. I've covered all these places. In today's video, you will see the journey from Hyderabad to Pelling. Pelling is a hamlet in West Sikkim. It is little offbeat in terms of Sikkim tourism, but it was no less than a heaven. And if you ever plan to go there, please refer this video. I'm sure you will enjoy on this virtual trip with me. I have given you all the information that I could. Please watch this video till the end. Also, this is my first time at making a travelogue. If you are first time viewer to my channel, please click on subscribe because there are a lot of new videos coming up like this. I make videos on fitness, diet, lifestyle, travel and much more. Hi guys, I have boarded the Hyderabad to Bagdogra flight and we are flying to Sikkim. Bagdogra is the airport in West Bengal and Sikkim, here we come. So now we have reached Bagdogra airport and these taxi drivers are charging us 7,000, 8,000, 6,000. The standard rates is 3,000 to 4,000 for any vehicle and around 5,000 for Innova or Xylo. Bagdogra, and Bagdogra being army base camp, photography and videography is prohibited here. This is our cab and we are heading to Pelling. This cab is arranged by the accommodation that we are staying in and it costs us around 3,000 to 3,500 rupees. And we tried to get other vehicles and the prices are very hiked up because of the upcoming vacations. Hi guys, so we have started from Bagdogra and we are heading towards Siliguri and from there we will enter Sikkim. I also got this at the airport. This is the Sikkim map that I have got. I'm sure this is going to help me throughout my travel and the time is around 11:10 and let's see how the roads are and how much time it takes to reach Pelling and approximately it would take 5 hours. We are traveling in a Swift Desire. Let's see how the journey goes. The roads in Siliguri look good. Bagdogra is the only airport to enter Sikkim. There is another airport in Sikkim which is not very functional. To go to any place, you have to come to Bagdogra from any part of India. So it's almost 1 hour that we started and we are around this area called Sivok Bazaar, which is a army base camp cantonment. The roads here are good, but the roads in Siliguri were pretty clumsy and there was a traffic jam worse than Hyderabad. And now we are heading towards Sikkim and we can see this area. I'll show you surrounded by dense forest and it's written that it's a elephant crossing zone. Even the Nepal border is quite close to this area, so just a few kilometers and you can see Nepal from there. I will show you how the roads are. So road condition has been good so far because we are still in Bengal and we have not touched the hills. We are very much in the city. So we have just entered the mountain ranges and we have crossed Tista river and the scenic beauty looks too good. Dense forests, mountains and a river flowing by. And I'm very excited just to enter this mountain zones. we just crossed a point called Coronation Bridge, which is just behind me, and that place connects from here to Bhutan, and I'll show you the bridge. So we are again seeing Tista river by our side. We are still in Bengal, and the roads here are pretty narrow, and it is taking time to cross these roads. There are some places where only one vehicle can pass at a time, and just enjoy the scenic beauty and river, and the views are just amazing. Can you just see the amazing view behind me? This is the Tista river, and this is Kali Jhori, a place named Kali Jhori in Darjeeling district. We have just crossed the Tista tea valley, and we are heading towards Sikkim. This view is just one of the most amazing views I had so far, and I'm so excited seeing the mountains. And just look at the color of the water. They are just like green and clear and fresh, and there is absolutely no litter or no dirt in these rivers, and it is just amazing. At around 2 p.m. we stopped at this restaurant known as Abhinay restaurant for lunch, although the options were many, and this is in Bengal, so Bengali food was available, simple food, but the owners were very rude and were not very welcoming. So this is the food we had there, and after that we started on towards Sikkim.
You can see that is the bridge which connects Sikkim with West Bengal. The roads are not that great. We are going a little slow. So this is the Malli Bridge that we are crossing now to enter to Sikkim. That's the Sikkim border checkpost. You can see this, welcome to Sikkim. And here we entered Sikkim.
Now that we have entered Sikkim, this is the first landslide probably that I am seeing, and there is a vehicle busy cleaning it, and we are all waiting, and I think that this is going to take some time. According to my driver, this is pretty common throughout Sikkim.
The roads are really bad. You have to be very careful and slowly.
As soon as we entered Sikkim, you can see the roads conditions is further deteriorating. So these are the roads, how it looks like, and it is really pretty dangerous to drive here, and it is very important to drivers who hold on kind of roads. Please don't seek out an adventure to drive on these kind of roads. Hi guys, so time is around 5 and the road condition is pathetic in Sikkim because of the landslides and the rains that has happened in the past month, and we have reached Jorthang now. So Jorthang is a place which is a major entry point to West and South Sikkim, and it took a lot of time to reach here, And let's see how the roads are to reach Belling. We are somehow tired. Finally, we reached our homestay. It got dark around 5:36, and it is pretty dark, and temperatures are falling down. The trip was extremely scary. I was like on the edge of my seat, but finally we reached around 6:37, and we are here to have our dinner and then retire. Hi guys, good morning from the Himalayas. I woke up today morning to see the Kanchenjunga, but you can see it's all foggy and cloudy, and we had faced torrential rains yesterday night, and I was like, oh my god, I can't see Kanchenjunga today. But the overall feel around this is so calm, so serene, and so cold, and just loving it.